So, greetings from Mark late at night, looking a little bit, yeah, what you look like. Okay, so I wanted to share something with you. I'm currently trying to find people who find me leads, you know, the Instagram, the Facebook, the telephone number, the website, the LinkedIn, everything. Okay, I'm talking to these people right here, right now. So I'm not sure. I may need you to find the private Instagram pages, or I may just have these guys do it. Then we are in a different situation. I'm currently watching a course. It's called affluent.co, you know, by Jordan Platten. You can research that if you want. Cost $1,000. And there's one chapter, it says DM domination, and it deals mainly, at least, with Instagram. And it basically has this follow-up series where first we like their stuff, then we write a message, then we do an audio message, then we do a video message, stuff like this. And I need someone to do this together with me. It has to be very organized. We need some sort of spreadsheet. And then I need to know, of course, always what's going on. So you have to put that in there for me. And then the question is also, first of all, would you like me to send you this training? It's 15 minutes long. I just recorded that with Loom as well. It's 3 videos because Loom videos, they take a long time to upload. And so I said, you know, it's 15 minutes. I cut it in 3. And then there's this strategy here. And then I really want to get some serious work done. You basically do all this stuff. And then when it's time to do an audio or to do a video, that would be my part of the deal. And you would be the, let's say you would like their stuff 2 or 3 times, and then you send the message, and then I need some sort of spreadsheet where I know what's going on, kind of the idea. Do you know what I mean? Let me know if this interests you. Yes.